Hello there, peoples of the Internetz, once again to another sort of devlog. I'm probably going to call this one devlog 16.5 of A Peasant's Tale. Now, the reason being is it's more of an update into what's going on with, like, stuff outside of the game, but than it is with stuff inside the game, but still sort of an update, I guess, with the game. I don't know. Anyway, this these past weeks, it's been pretty tough to get stuff done because I've been, for last week and this week, I'm prepping for the midterm. I'm studying for midterms in school, and on top of that, schoolwork has sort of amped up in the past couple weeks in preparation for it. So that kind of got in the way of development. On top of that, what I actually did was I implemented a mob that finally uses the A-star algorithm, and it's super buggy, and I have no idea what's causing the bug, and it's an absolute pain to figure out. So, I mean, I'll show you guys the game. Actually, hold on. Before I do that, I should probably actually spawn in the smart entity. So I'll show you guys the game now. Yeah, what can I say? I'm sorry it's been a while. I'm going to try to make videos more often once midterms are over, which is this week. Midterms are this week. It's Saturday right now of recording. The upcoming week is midterms, and I won't be able to work on the game at all in that time. But after that time, I should be good. So you guys should see a return to the normal schedule at that point if I can fix this bug. So right here, this is the chasing AI, and I can change how fast he goes. Right now, he sort of moves at this speed. Let me get rid of that stupid chaser. Okay, so as you see, he follows me around corners. So if I go, let's say, around here, bam, look at that. Beautiful. See, now normally the mob that was sort of the stupid chasing AI would, if I went like right here, if you can see my mouse, he would be right here, like running into the wall. Now that's fine and dandy. That's great, in fact. Right? So I can go like that. Let me try and sprint to get into sort of the complex thing. But as you can see there, the game stutters randomly. Now on top of that, he gets stuck in walls. The collision is really messed up for him. And there are other problems on top of that, because on top of the game just stuttering, sometimes randomly again, if it sort of has to calculate a lot of, I guess it's because the AI has to calculate through a lot of like distance stuff. Like you saw there, it stuttered, and now it's sort of stuck going between there, and now it's completely frozen. Yes, that happens. The game literally just freezes randomly when the A-star algorithm basically poops itself because it's too complex of a path to go through. And that you guys saw wasn't too complex of a path. It's just going around that little bend in the wall. But for some reason, the A-star can't handle it. Now, that's what I think is going on. Again, I'm not even 100% sure that that is the actual problem. Now, on top of that, if I collide into the left side of a wall, the game freezes. If I collide into the, let me run it first. If I collide into the bottom, or the top tile, the game freezes. Now, if I collide with the right or the bottom, it doesn't freeze for whatever reason, but that's beyond me. I have no idea what's going on, and it's really, really frustrating. So yeah, I mean, that's basically what's going on. It's a pain. I'm sorry, guys, but it's just something that has to get fixed before I can continue making anything else. Oh, see there again, he got stuck, like just randomly. Like one moment he'll be fine, and then the mob just gets stuck. For whatever reason, it doesn't follow the same collision standards as other mobs. I guess you could call them like that. But yeah, like see, I can skirt and like collide with this wall, and that's fine. But if I collide with the other side of it, it just dies. And same with like I can collide with the bottom tile. So yeah, it's pretty annoying. See, I collided just for a second with that side of a tile, and it freezes. But there are obviously going to be obstacles in the road of developing this game. That's sort of that I saw that ahead of time, that stuff like this would probably happen. And the last time I remember something like that, like, see, look at that. That's not even a complex thing, but it stuttered for like a good couple seconds. But anyway, the last time I remembered something like pretty like bad happening with like development, where like there was a really big bug that I couldn't understand and couldn't fix, or didn't think I could fix, was when I was implementing the collision and physics for particles, and that was an absolute pain. But you know what, guys? Eventually I fixed it, and I have no doubt that eventually I'll fix this bug as well. And after that point, we'll be rolling again. If it becomes really, really bad and there's absolutely no way to fix it, I'll either take it out or look for another source for how to implement it, or postpone developing that aspect of it and work on something else. Like, I'll just stop thinking about the AI and just work on, say, art or some other aspect of the game until I figure out how I can fix that. But that's like, if that's like worst case. So that'll do it for another update. I guess I'm gonna probably like update this one like 16.5 or something. But yeah, it's pretty demoralizing. But never fear, the game is still being made. I have not given up on this game. No way am I giving up on this game. I'm still developing this thing. I haven't been able to because of midterms, like I said before, but after that, I'm going to be developing it back on the normal schedule, and everything will be fine. So that'll do it for another update, folks. Goodbye!